What is going on, everyone? Welcome back. Minasan konnichiwa. Assalamu alaikum. Keeping it trilingual for everyone. Fans around the world, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, join me today in a S2000, Honda S2000, also known as a S2K. My oh my, what is that noise? That's a mad wind noise. Yeah, so I'm currently on like the dual carriageway, so probably not the best time to be doing this, but yeah, whatever. So I'm heading to the mountains again. It's a nice day today, hitting 29 degrees, and yeah man, taking the car out for a drive. Actually trying to look for a convenience store and need to grab a little coffee or something. Alright, we are back from 7-Eleven. Wanted just to grab a quick coffee. What's in a goodie bag? This is one of, I just found out about this like 2 weeks ago. Cafe latte, salted caramel, maybe from France, don't know. Mount Rainier, espresso and milk. That is banging. And obviously you need a little sponge cake. Oh, it started melting already. Yeah, it's proper hot outside. It's like 32 degrees now. So I'm just gonna quickly munch this and then we'll get back on the road, do daily observations. And there you go, right ahead you got another S2000. Look how banging that looks. That looks sick. Forgot it's so low down as well every time I get in and out of the car. Bit of a madness. What's going on? Back on the road. Plenty of vending machines in the middle of nowhere. You know what? Let's just see what car I just saw, because it is sick. Let's have a look. Alright everyone, have a look at the car coming up. Let me know if you know what it is. You can even hear it. Oh, this Yaris is in the way, man. You see it in the left lane? That is sick. I'm gonna try and go behind him. Oh, that's a madness. He's got some nice camber. The 2000 plate as well. Prestige, mate, prestige. Proper classic. That is proper pimp. Oh, he's got the mirrors on there as well. I put the window down so you can hear it. Guy's a proper ledge. Nice color as well. I'm gonna end up getting lost just following this guy and not even paying attention to the maps. And that is perfection. I don't know if you can see the details on the camera, but like the Nissan logos, the small Nissan logos on the side, on the back. Double barrel exhaust. This guy is loving it. I'm just going to leave him to it. Enjoy your rest of your day, mate. But I need to hit this VTEC. And these two trucks are just killing it. Oh, another cyclist with a blind corner. Oh, just behind us we have a new contender. Got a RS200 Toyota Altiza. That Beams engine. I don't know, it might have engine swapped it, but whatever. Man, this Honda S2000 is so nice. It is proper nice, mate. Oi, what was that? Oi, what was that? Oh, this VTEC is mad, fam. Oi, going way too fast. Somebody's already crashed into that barrier. This Altiza is proper sticking to it. I can hear his engine from here. Bit of a mad one. another one. RS200. I've got one behind me. That one looked clean, the one that just drove by. Stanced up pretty nice. Yeah, got this guy on the bicycle going for it, mate. Oh, I'm gonna hit the VTEC. Second gear. VTEC! That was fun. That feels good. Proper addicting. Oh, these roads are amazing. Going for miles like this. Where's that Altezza behind me? Has he got lost? Oh, there he is. He's back. Man's back. I think he got held up by that cyclist. Oi, oi, oi. Good old Yaris. Suzuki Sport. Gearbox in this thing is so nice, so refined. Oi, look what we got. V6 boy. Man stuck in and diving. Easy now, easy. VTEC Club. Smash the VTEC. This road is so sick. But this Altezza is enjoying the ride behind me as well. We felt a bit of weight shift there. The car is so balanced, so nice.